I'm back at the garage. Last time we mainly worked on Dan's car and we got one bolt off of my car. So yeah, the plan was to take the drive axle off so we can measure it and get a new one that hopefully doesn't tick. We got one bolt, this one was quite stuck, so let's go at it. Put quite a bit of WD-40 on there last time, so maybe it's loosened up a bit. It's quite stuck. Alright, we've got some reinforcements. We've got these guys. And this guy. Back at it again. Yeah, so this bolt is stuck AF. I went at it with the torque wrench that we don't use for torquing, we just use it for beuning. I used the impact gun. Nothing seems to work.
This is because of the when you steer, right?
There's a ticking noise.
There's a ticking noise, high pitched, like
tick, 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 tick.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want to get a new drive axle because that is what seems to be the problem. But getting the drive axle out it's probably really easy if you know what you're doing, but we don't.
Exactly.
But anyway, Corbin bought something for his ride.
Yeah. So hopefully it's easy to install. So we're just gonna.
That's how it always starts, isn't it?
Should be, according to the manual. So.
Oh, it's actually got a manual. We're not just going by Chris Fix videos this time.
Yeah.
So, what have you bought? Show us. So that's what I bought. A box. That's not Momo. It's a pizza.
It's a pizza.
Sparko. Yeah, you didn't think Sparko was real.
No. Which movie? It was Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
So usually I didn't even know Sparko.
You thought it was like the Motec exhaust.
Yeah, like you know, for licensing reasons they just use a different name or something. So I thought.
Why? They want ads.
I don't know. It's just. Anyway, Sparko is real.
Yeah. I have.
Holy shit.
A nice Alcantara.
With Alcantara
wheel.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, also got some floor mats. Floor mats that say Pro Drive on it.
Oh, nice.
Because my floor mats were effed. So yeah.
Premium
Floor mats, I guess. Now it's the unboxing of Corbin's box. The core box.
Box within a box.
Corbin has a anti-roll bar thing for when he eventually flips his car when drifting through a corner at 200 miles an hour.
This guy. Oh, this is the manual, literally.
It follows a manual anyway. Wind deflectorator. Yep. Corbin solved the mystery. Apparently taking this bolt out helped with taking this bolt out. So this is now loose, sort of. So now we can proceed. Alright, now that we've loosened the bolts on the subie, we're gonna work on Corbin's car instead. I'm gonna put on the roll bar and windscreen.
Yeah.
I don't think it's an actual roll bar though.
No, it's not. It's yeah, it's not like a cage. It's just minor rigidity.
What does it mount on to?
Here. See, you have to unscrew these.
That's gonna buckle right away.
And then over your head,
yeah.
Slightly. But it's not like, you know, if you have some of these Miatas have the roll cages.
Yeah. Proper ones.
Yeah, proper ones.
So let's get started on the roll bar.
The roll bar.
Now that we can easily reach everything with the old whatever it is, with that removed, clean up a bit. We've got even more chrome. Is chrome the only option?
No, black as well.
Why did you go for black?
This is like blue with silver is the theme. Is it gonna align though?
Does it go like this or the other way around? What does the manual say? I would think it goes like that. If it does fit, hopefully it does. We're not the only ones who are back to working on our cars. Bjorn's also here.
Hi.
Back working on his Renault. So the engine is still sort of not seized, but sort of
Semi-seized.
yeah. It moves a bit, but not all the way. So
I'm going to open up the front of the engine to see if I can figure out if the crankshaft is moving even, and if not, then might be looking at a new engine, which I hope not.
these engines are probably hard to find.
Actually, I know someone that has a slightly newer version of this engine laying around.
Huh.
Problem is, it's in Ireland.
Ah.
And shipping for engines is quite expensive.
Yeah.
So I hope he doesn't have to ship it to me. Let's see.
So, what's the progress over here?
Not much.
Why?
I don't know. It's very strange. Here, this one goes in.
Is that the small one?
Yeah, the small.
Oh yeah, then you just use that, I guess.
There's only two small ones.
I don't know. Maybe the originals will work, yeah? I don't see why not.
So just installed the
Wind deflector.
wind deflector and
Yeah. Should we go for a ride?
that's
Test it out.
yeah.
So I'm trying to get this protection cover thingy off
Underplate.
under a tray, and there's this nut here which somehow keeps spinning, but it doesn't. See, it spins, but it doesn't really do much. Oh, actually, now it seems to be loose enough to. Oh no, no.
Is there maybe nut on the top?
Maybe.
Can you reach that somehow?
Oh, okay, so maybe somehow. I think somehow is the right definition. See if I can find it. Definitely not from up here.
No, maybe from behind the wheel or something?
Yeah. Very crusty here.
Is there a nut?
Nope. Let's see if I can somehow figure it out.
Yeah. Alright, we took Corbin's MX-5 for a little test drive, and wind noise seems to be alright.
Yeah. So less noise, more warmth, no wind. So success.
Okay, so here the drive axle. We took out the bolts. This is now loose. We also have Dan over here who arrived.
Yeah.
But there's a pin more on the inside that we need to take out, so we're working on that right now. Dan's using his favorite tool again.
The hammer. Yes, it's hammer time. Oh, it's going.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, not completely, but already partly. So.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know the step after that, because usually we go like 2 steps in the video and then we get stuck, so I don't know. Or I need to check the video again. We took the pin out enough for it to loosen out of the center diff thingy.
I can see it's
Now,
the worst angle ever.
yeah, but
There's the angle.
here is the
Axle.
one removed drive axle. So yeah, now we measured this side, that side, and send the measurements over to GT Speedworks. Alright, so we measured the drive axle. I sent the measurements to Anko at GT Speedworks so he can figure out what kind of axle I need. Now Dan is underneath Bjorn's car, trying to get the last bolt off of the under tray. Under tray?
Under tray?
Yeah. It's quite crusty. that's gonna be it for today. See you in the next video.